will be listed down below in my description box. Add eggs into your bowl. Add sugar. Add honey. I have prepared a big pot of water and we're going to simmer it and place our bowl on top. We're going to cook out the eggs with honey and sugar until it becomes nice, white and fluffy and quite pale. Now we're going to add our butter and take it off the heat. Add your flour, baking powder and soda into your bowl and I'm going to sieve it right inside and do it in half. Mix the mixture and repeat again. Cover the dough in cling film and place it into the fridge for half an hour. Into your bowl add double cream or heavy cream, add vanilla extract and amaretto, add icing sugar and whisk it until it forms nice soft peaks. Do not overmix the mixture. Drain your cherries and keep the liquid. Place some paper towels on top and then spread your cherries. We need to make sure the cherries are completely dry. Divide your dough in half and we're going to roll out the first half and then work with the other half. The dough is very sticky, so keep adding flour and make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. So once you've rolled out your square, we're going to cut it into 4 or 5 equal slices. Add your cherries right in the middle. Then pinch from both sides and make sure cherries stay in the middle. Put them into your baking tin lined with some parchment paper and spray it with some cooking spray around. Add the first layer of your cake onto your presentation plate. Take your cherry and amaretto mixture and just go around the cake. Add a few tablespoons of your cherry jam. Add your amaretto cream. Add your second layer of cake on top. Add more cream on top. Place the cake into the fridge for about 5 to 6 hours. Cover your cake with chocolate all around and place it back into the fridge for about 1 hour. Pipe your cherry cream on top of your cake and then add cherry on top of that.